Since I have explained a few teaching styles, I want to explain a few more teaching styles that a teacher usually practice in the classroom. But some of we don't know what exactly we are doing, but they are exactly doing the same teaching strategies. Okay, so here it will be better to understand the teaching styles, okay, that usually you practice in the classroom and what exactly they are called. Before I go into the lesson, if you didn't subscribe Teaching and Learning channel, subscribe, like and share for more videos. Okay, if you have any suggestion, please give me suggestions in the comments. Okay, so let's see in this lesson what we're going to discuss today. 21 Part 4 Pedagogy Retrieval Teaching Style. First we need to understand what is retrieval teaching style and where we usually use it. Okay. These videos images are have been taken as a reference from and it's not just a copy, but I'll be using the reference, okay, these images from the different websites. Okay, so first, a retrieval teaching style, it's revision activity and a learning activity. For example, recalling the information, thinking about the previous lesson, then answer, what do you know about the yesterday's lesson? So it means to check the taught concept, skills and knowledge. In simple, revision and recall about the taught lesson. As a teacher, what you have taught yesterday, if you want to inquire about that lesson, that is called the retrieve teaching style. Similarly, we use the different methods in order to confirm and to check the previous information. Some teachers, they use the worksheet. Some teachers, they ask the questions. So here are some examples, okay, I'll be telling you. At the beginning of, the lesson, we or most of the teachers, or that's asked a common question, okay, what do you know about yesterday's lesson? If it is a topic about, the telling story about, it is about, the scientific revolution. It is about, the science invention. It's about, the cyberbullying. It's about, the any topic, okay, that you have taught yesterday, okay, and you started asking the questions, okay. So what exactly remembered, okay, the students started sharing and through the different methods and by using the methodology, that is called the retrieval practices, okay, which teacher applies, okay, into the classroom in order to show that exactly the students learn or not, okay. This is at the beginning of the lesson to recap the information, okay, and by asking the questions, okay, or sometimes you use the worksheet. Let's see in the next. At the end of the lesson, we mostly use the worksheet. When you taught the topic about scientific revolution, you want to make sure that the student understood, they have information, okay, they were using that same information that you have taught them in order to answer the questions. So this is also the most common the practices, okay, we apply in the classroom as a teacher, okay, at the end of the lesson to answer the question. So the retrieve practice, okay, can be used by the worksheets as well as them. So this is you can now imagine, okay, what steps what methods, okay, you use in order to recall or recap the information, okay, that is called the retrieve practices, okay. But I'll give you the most important thing, okay, that it's not only the classroom itself, it's also in the real life. As a teacher, what you are going to teach in the classroom, that you have learned in your study, in your education life, you are teaching the students, okay, with them. Means you are teaching the same information that you have learned in the classroom. So that information you memorize, that information you learned, it's also at the same time is retrieved. Because you are recalling. But here as a teacher, okay, you are going to correct yourself, okay. For example, the current situation, the writers, they are writing book about particular topic, okay. They learned. Now they want to write, okay, their information into the books, okay. In the book, they have to answer the question. Now, answer the question about what? Topic. For example, COVID-19. COVID-19 is a correct, the hot topic, okay. And there are the many writers, books, okay. They are answering the questions, okay. So whatever they learned, okay, at the end, it will be published, okay, in a different form, and that will be answered, and we will be keep talking about that. So this is a retrieve practice, which means recall information, recap the information. It can be the beginning of the lesson, it can be at the end of the lesson, okay. So I hope that it's a clear what is retrieve, practice or teaching style, and how you use this teaching style in the classroom, okay. Just think about it, okay. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to these videos as a free roast for the teaching pedagogy, you can email me. I'll be sharing with you the resources, as well as we'll be meeting the next lesson with another teaching style, okay. Till that, bye, thank you, and have a nice day.